So now let's see how we can utilize the archive block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and apply the archive block, I'm going to go around in between two blocks right here, just like this, and then you can see the plus button right here. So now what you can simply do is type in archive right here, and you can see that archive actually pops up. If I were to go ahead and click right here, then you can see the archive right here. That is December 2024 right here. So you can see like whenever a post is made, this is an archive link to it right here. Let me just go ahead and save this out and then go around and view the post right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that this is what you have right here. So if I were to go ahead and click, then you can see that it actually goes to the month of December 2024 right here, to the archive right here, just like this, as you can see. And you can see the related post of that particular month right there. And that is how you can work around with the archive block to get archives that you have. So if you may have added in posts in other months, then it will appear that out as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can change around the location of this particular archive as well. And you can display this as a drop down as well. So you can go around onto drop down, and you can show the post controls as well if you want to right here. And then you can group by year and even day, as you can see right here. So you can select out the day right here. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the label size right here and change around the dimension right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead, add in padding right here, add in the margin right here, and then you can go ahead and add in border right here, just like this as well, to the archive right here. So that is what you have right here, and let me just go ahead and save this out. So let's just go ahead and save it. Then if I were to go ahead and refresh, you can see that this is what you have. So you got the different archives, and as you click on it, you get the archive for those particular dates right here. So go around and click, and you can see that I got different posts right here. And this is how you can go ahead and access out the archive by utilizing the archive block inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.